Hi everyone, welcome to ATL Marathon 2023-24.
I'm Dhriti S. Here are my teammates, Vedanth and Prasad and Mohith P. We are studying in Class 7 Excel Public School, Mysore.
We are the Guardians team.
We worked on the problem statement, Devise integrated solution that employs technology to reduce traffic congestion, while simultaneously incorporating features aimed at preventing road accidents and reducing the incidence of fatalities under the theme mobility. We developed a prototype called pedal guard, in which a barrier around the pedals rises when the driver sits on the driver's seat and turns on the ignition switch. It prevents accidents caused by the objects rolling under the brake pedals in buses.
India accounts for just about 1% of the global vehicle population. However, it accounted for about 6% of the total global road accidents. One of the major causes of road accidents is driver carelessness while driving.
When overspeeding and overtaking other vehicles, things near the driver's seat can roll under the brake pedal, resulting in brake failure. This leads to accidents on the roads. We also found in our survey that there is no facility in the existing buses to prevent water bottles or other things from rolling beneath the brake pedal.
So we chose to develop a solution called pedal guard, which prevents things from rolling under the brake pedals. This can be installed in cars, buses and trucks. The size and the design of the pedal guard can be customized based on the requirement.
In our prototype, we used an IR sensor, SPST rocker switch, Arduino Uno, motor driver board, buzzer module, 9-volt battery and 12-volt adapter and connecting wires.
When the driver sits in the driver's seat and turns on the ignition switch, the input from the IR sensor and switch is communicated to the Arduino Uno board. Then an alert from the buzzer module comes out, indicating that the pedal guard is going to rise around the pedals. After this, the pedal guard rises with the help of rack and pinion gears attached to the gear motors. The guard acts as a barrier to prevent things from rolling beneath the pedals.
When the ignition switch is off and the driver moves away from the seat, then an alert from the buzzer module comes out indicating that the pedal guard is going to move down. After this, the pedal guard moves down.
Through this solution, we can prevent accidents on the road and hence reduce the incidence of fatalities.
We faced difficulty in fixing the gear motors along with rack and pinion gears. To overcome this, we added extra support to the gear motors.
We divided the work equally among us. We consolidated the data collected from the survey and made inferences. I developed the 3D design for the model and contributed to documentation.
I was part of designing the logo, building the model and installing the circuits.
I was part of fixing the model and troubleshooting the circuit. We would like to thank the ATL for providing this opportunity to work on this project.
Thank you.